Namaste. My name is Adit, this is Advith, and that's Aarjav. We are from grade 8 of the GIIS Innovative International School in Bangalore. Our idea, the Switchables, aims on modular shoe designs.
Our initiative, Switchables, aims to reduce the number of shoes that people buy and also make it easier for individuals to change their soles, which are better suited for the activities that they do.
This project aims to revolutionize footwear in the middle class and also reduce the overall waste in footwear.
Let me explain how it works. The body of the shoe remains constant and the soles change depending on your activity. Suppose you play sports and after that you go to the park or somewhere else. You change the sport sole and add a different, more comfortable sole very easily instead of buying multiple shoes and spending more time in changing the whole thing. Just zip it up.